What's up, guys? It's Chaz with Nashville Pop, and I'm going to break down the key to writers' rounds. So first things first, it's really simple, and a lot of people don't actually get this. Show up, shake hands, and meet the people that are actually doing the event. People that put on writers' rounds in town spend a lot of time curating rounds. They're also meeting new artists every minute of every day, getting tons of submissions. If you want to break through the noise, you've got to invest, show up, shake their hand, and get to know them. The next thing that you're going to need to do is find a way to financially support the round, whether that be buying a drink, buying French fries. You don't have to drop dollar bills. You just have to do a little bit to show that you're invested and help keep that round from going out of business. The third thing that you can do to kind of break into the writers' round world is to put together your own round. Get talking to the person that runs the round and tell them, hey, I got 3 other artists that are amazing and I think that we could do a great hour-long set. What are the possibilities we can make that happen? The next thing you could do is try to plan it alongside a release. So let's say you've got a song coming out in 2 months. That's a good time to probably reach out to writers' rounds and say, hey, I've got this song coming out in 2 months. I'd love to get on your roster. How can I do that? The last thing you could do is super obvious, but not everybody's really thinking about it or doing it. And that's just bringing people to the round. Bring people to watch you perform or to just enjoy the night and meet new people. You don't want to show up empty-handed. Now, when we're talking about tips for when you're on stage, here's a couple quick ones for you. Number 1, repeat your name a lot. Number 2, make sure you warm up and drink water before you go on stage. Number 3, please tune your instrument before you go on. Number 4, we don't need to hear the excuses, the apologies. We don't need to know if you were sick all week. Just show up and sing. That's why we're all here. Enjoy it. Number 5, it doesn't matter if it's an old song. If somebody hasn't heard it, it's new to them. Number 6, if you are playing a new song, make sure you've practiced it a few times because you don't want to be glued to your phone out there and you really don't want to be stuttering and stumbling. Number 7, banter. It's really great, but try to keep it to a minimum because you don't want to hog the stage. Number 9, and this one's really important. Just be mindful if you're going to jump in with harmonies or noodling. Make sure that you've heard it a few times, you are confident in your skill set, and that you're not going to take away from the artist's performance while it's happening. And honestly, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know for jumping into these writers' rounds in town and how to make the best out of them. I'm Chaz from Nashville Pop. I'll catch you guys later.